Welcome to Portal 7. In today's digital world, content creators are no longer limited by expensive gear or endless hours of editing. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we make images and videos, turning ideas into stunning visuals in seconds. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or storyteller, AI tools can help you design eye-catching thumbnails, generate cinematic footage, and even edit with precision, all while saving time and boosting productivity. In this video, we'll explore Pixwith AI tools to harness AI to elevate your content, stand out from the crowd, and unlock new levels of imagination. Get ready to discover the power of AI-driven creativity, because the future of content creation starts now. Pixwith AI has all popular AI models. In AI image tools, it has text-to-image, image-to-image, and AI image extender. In AI video tools, it has image-to-video and text-to-video options. Click on text-to-image. First, you have to write prompt in prompt box. Then select AI model. As you can see, you have all popular AI models, such as Kling, Grok, Seedream, ChatGPT, NanoBanana, Z-Image, etc. Once you select an AI model, further you have option to choose one of its multiple variants. I will set NanoBanana 2 AI model. Variant, I will set NanoBanana Pro. Output image numbers you can set up to 4. Resolution you can choose up to 4K. You can also choose aspect ratio as your needs. For prompt, I will use ChatGPT free version. You can put basic instruction to make prompts here. Pixwith AI has limit to 800 characters in prompt box to give output accurate and faster. I will optimize my prompt in 800 words here in ChatGPT. Now copy and paste this prompt in prompt box. AI model I will set NanoBanana Pro. Output image number I will keep 1. Resolution I will set 2K. Aspect ratio I will set 16:9. Now click on Create. Within few seconds, image is ready, and you can see the quality of image. You have direct option to edit, create video, and extend image here. Below, you have download, copy link, and share option. I will download this image. Now click on Image to Image. Upload an image. Now you can write prompt to transform your image. You can change environment and style, you can remove object, you can swap background, you can adjust lighting, you can convert it to anime, etc. Here I will just change color and lighting to cinematic. AI model I will set Grok. Click on Create. Within few seconds, image is ready. Here you can see 3 different versions on this image. You can download best version according to your needs, or you can keep all. Now click on AI Image Extender. As you can see in Template, it can be used to extend cropped or small background images. Click on Upload to add an image. You can extend it from all 4 directions. You can also put a prompt to extend. Here I will extend it from top and from bottom. Click on Create. Within few seconds, image is ready. And you can compare original and output image. Output image extended naturally from top and bottom without any glitch. Now I will make some images here, then we will explore video generations. I have generated some images that I will use in video creations. In AI Video Tools, click on Image to Video. Upload an image. AI model I will set Kling 3.0. Output number I will keep 1. Duration I will set 15 seconds. You can also attach end frame image, which is optional. Video prompt I will generate from ChatGPT. Copy-paste this prompt in prompt box. You can make on or off generating natural sound. I will keep it on. Now click on Create. And within few minutes, video is ready. And here is result. And you can see the quality and speed. It's amazing. Now let's try Veo 3.1 AI model with dialogues. Prompt I will made in ChatGPT with dialogues. Copy-paste this prompt in prompt box. Now click on Create. And within few minutes, video is ready. And here is result.
Stay with me. Please don't let go.
I'm not afraid, as long as you're here.
We'll survive this, together.
Now let's try Sora 2.0 AI model. Upload an image. Prompt I will made in ChatGPT. Copy-paste this prompt in prompt box. Set resolution and duration. Now click on Create. And within few minutes, video is ready. And here is result.
Then turn to stone. I'll meet you with steel.
Now in AI Video Tools, click on Text to Video. I will set AI model Seedance 1.5 Pro. Set aspect ratio 16:9, resolution 720 pixel. Duration 12 seconds. Prompt I will make in ChatGPT. Copy-paste it in prompt box. Click on Create. And within few minutes, video is ready. And here is result. Now let's try one more text-to-video with Kling 3.0 AI model. Click on Create. And within few minutes, video is ready. Result is amazing as a fantasy movie clip. Click on Explore. Here you can see some presets. You can use any of them to get similar result. You have to upload your image. Prompt and settings will apply automatically. Same way, you have image presets too. You can use any of them and generate similar image. Now click on Pricing, and you can see it's one of the cheapest AI platforms with best popular AI models. Pixwith AI follows pay-as-you-go model, means you can buy credits, but they don't expire as monthly plans. They will expire only when you use them. Here you can check AI model's credit uses details. It can help you to get right plan as your needs. Here you can compare Pixwith AI with other platforms. You can get the link in video's description and pinned comment. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.